Chef Nick here, y'all. Welcome to Save Them Bucks. Alright, so always get the big old bag of corn tortillas or the flour ones, and you always try to freeze them to save them before they go bad, because you never use them all at one time. So what I like to do is I like to break them down, and I like to actually freeze them. Okay, so what I'm doing is just doing 4 at a time. Take your time, put them in the bag so they still keep their shape. You don't want to break them up. Okay, add them to the bag. You want to seal your bag. Get your air out your bag. Save them bucks, y'all. Chef Nick, subscribe. Get that air out that bag as much as you can. Keep them fresh. Seal it really good. See some more air in there. Poke another little hole. Get that air out as much as you can. Then you just want to keep breaking them down. Label them. You can keep some in bulk, but 9 times out of 10, when you use them, you're only going to need about 2 or 4 at a time. I know for me, living alone, since I make my tacos, I'm only going to need at least 4 of these, because I always do 2, because sometimes one is not, is not strong enough. It'll get soggy, and the tops of your tacos and the filling of your taco will, make the tortilla soggy. So I always use 2. So that's why I got 4 in here. So you just want to label it. Yellow. Corn. Tortilla. And you always put a date for 27 for 27. 26. Alright, so we just gonna finish these, getting them in the bag. We're gonna do 4 at a time, and then I'm gonna leave a lot in the bag just in case I have company and I'm cooking for more than just me. So when you're cooking for more than just you, you're gonna need more than 4. So I'll leave about 10 to 12 in the bag itself and just freeze that whole bag. But I will still put it inside the freezer bag just to protect it a little bit more. So see, this is actually better, because the issue is with these corn tortillas or flour tortillas is that when you try to defrost them, they actually will be stuck together and be broken apart when you try to actually separate them. When you freeze them all together like this, if you freeze them in a bag like this, they're gonna break up on you and be hard to get out the bag when you actually try to, get them separated. So you break them down to smaller bags, smaller portions, then you just label them as such. Put them in the freezer. Always put the date so you can know how long they've been in there for freshness. Get the rest of them going. So this is the way you save money on your tortillas, and it's actually help you out. See, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, you see how they're easy to separate now when they're frozen? They're going to be broken up on you, cracked up, a daggone mess. So that's why you break them down like this. So I'm going to do maybe 2 more, and then I'll freeze the rest of them in bulk. But that's 3 servings of taco for me on Taco Tuesday. And even if you do get guests, you can easily just pour out 2 bags. At least it's already broken down, and you're not freezing this big old bag of tortillas, and you can't get them out the dang on package without them breaking up. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna finish this. Chef Nick, Breathtaking Soul, saving them bucks. Hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Let us know what you think about our videos. Share them with your friends. And we hope that our money saving tips are helping you keep more money in your pocket for you and yours. Chef Nick, y'all, Breathtaking Soul. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Spring season is here. Let's get it.